Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix Discord node opening. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your task manager. You have to go on your window and here you have to search for task manager. Once you are in, you have to click on the app and here you have to find out the Discord. Once you find it, you have to end the task. Now you have to go back and here you have to again search for run. Now once you are in, you have to here search for the app data or template. Here you have to clear the data. Once you clear it, you have to go back and open your Discord and click on the run as administration. Once you click on it, you have to just update your Discord. So yeah, this is how you can fix Discord node opening.